everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I know you guys have seen this before. This is my finished pink tulip, and I've had a lot of people asking me if I would do a sealing video to show how I finish. So this is going to be part one of what do I do. Oh, forgive my dog, it's Zoe Zoom Zoom time. But, yes, go Zoe. So this is part one, and then there'll be a part two video down the road. I don't know if I'll get it done in time before I go to Uganda. So it may be 2 or 3 weeks from now before you see it, part two. So bear with me, hang in there. But at least I can get part one done for you. This looks like it needs a little help to be pushed in. Okay, so let's get it kind of straight in here. All right, so when I complete a diamond painting, this is pink tulip. It's a 50 by 40 or 40 by 50 centimeter, however you want to say it. It's from the Zuya official store. So yeah, I will put the description down below. But what I do is I roll it first. This is square, and I've already pre-rolled it, but I'll roll it again just to kind of show you there's nothing to it. You're just going to kind of make sure that all the pieces are snapped in. Usually I feel around the edge because sometimes, like that black one just a minute ago, even the rolling pin won't quite get everything. Like, yeah, here's another one that is popping up. And that's not popping drills, it's just from me moving it around while I was doing my work in progress, my whip. I don't have very good storage except in my portfolio for completed ones. All right, so it's nice and rolled. Let's turn it around so you can see it. Beautiful. Okay, I use Tombow Aqua Glue. Let's see if I can get it closer to you guys. It's Tombow Mono Liquid Aqua. Okay. It has a fine point on one side, which if you have those popping, you can use, to dot it down if you have popping drills. Right now my work in progress is a Huican, and it does have popping drills. Oops, I don't want that on my painting. And this one I had previously used, so that's why it's a little, but it has this little brush on the end, and I used to squeeze it out and then use this to brush, but I think I was putting it on too heavy. So this time I'm going to actually use my fingers so I can feel that it's getting down into the cracks. One of these will do like 1.5 40 by 50s. So I'm going to get, oops, I'm stuck on something. I'm going to get another one out of my lovely container. If I do any more, I'm going to have to go buy some more of this aqua glue. Alright, so this one's all ready to go. Okay, so what I do is I just take and do a line, a line, a line, a line, and then you just rub it in. Now the spray may be less messy, and that's fine, but I like this because it's a one and done. A one and done. And then This is my first time actually using my fingers to actually feel where it's at, so you may need to add some more. I'm just getting it into all the cracks and the crevices. I'm kind of going in a circular motion, making sure everything gets in there. The nice thing is this is water soluble, so it's not going to hurt you and it's not going to hurt the diamond painting. Just rubbing it in. This one is going to go in my portfolio. So I wanted to seal it because the portfolio pages, as you're flipping them, will bend. This kind of gives you a massage. My fingers are going to be going a little numb. Just working your way up, working your way up. One thing I did notice, and this is why I switched to the fingers, I was a little heavy on one of them. I think it's because I was scared, and you can tell I went heavy, kind of. Even though this dries clear, anything that supposedly dries clear, if you have too much of it, will have somewhat of a residue. And so that's why I also switched to the finger rubbing, so that I know whether or not I'm putting too much on. And yeah, it's this easy. I'm going to do this half for you guys, and it's going to be pretty boring for you to see me do this whole thing, but I wanted to show you what I did. And this one I'm using right now is the half that's left over from another 40 by 50 I did. And as you can see, it's going to do at least half of this. So it goes a pretty long way. Now see, I'm able to feel that I might have had too much, so I'm pulling it into another area. And because it's clear, it's really hard to see. You kind of have to feel. And make sure that you've got where you want it. Feels like I need a little bit more in this area. I am gonna do a spray too, not on this one, but on a diamond painting. I say that I'm not attached to, but I get attached to all my diamond paintings, but maybe a partial or something. I'll try a spray and see if I like the spray or not. Yeah, there's some spots in here where they don't line up super tight, so I'm pressing down a little bit to make sure I get in all those holes. You don't just want it to be a surface seal. You want it to go underneath as well. So I've done this half. So I will stop here, but I'm going to finish the other half, and then part 2 will be just a reminder of how I tack it into my portfolio. So until next time, you guys be blessed. It was great talking to you again. Take care. Talk to you soon.